Musa Khawula, online personality and famous online gossiper, is being mentioned in the Madlanga Commission. And yeah, I have to admit, Musa Khawula is lucky to be alive. And maybe that's the reason he's in jail right now, because his case, because the case that he has right now is allegedly for murder, right? But there are so many people that don't really fatela this guy to a point that I'm not even surprised that he's still in jail right now. And he hasn't been really found guilty of anything. There hasn't been a real sentencing or anything like that, but he's still in jail. But he's still active online. Don't ask me how, Semzanzela. If you know, you know. So anyways, they mentioned him at the Madlanga Commission. So General Bishiri actually contacted Musa Khawula and said he mustn't say anything about Ket Matlala. So Musa Khawula actually knew everything that was happening with Ket Matlala way before General Ntlatla Mkhwanazi told us about him. He would have told us long time ago, but they actually told him, hey, if you don't keep quiet, we will do something to you. So he ended up keeping quiet, and now we only find out that he was actually involved somehow. So they were stopping him from actually unveiling the truth. So that's why in journalism, even in gossip, you must be very careful what you say, because there are so many people that are suing Musa Khawula. For fact, it might be true, but the thing is, when you expose someone, they have a time to cover their tracks. And once they cover their tracks with your facts, they also come back and sue you, because they'll say, hey, it's defamation, you are speaking things that are not true. And when it comes to the Madlanga Commission, Ket Matlala, Senzo Mkhunu, you're basically playing with fire. So this guy, I'm not even really surprised that he's in jail right now. And I wouldn't be surprised if he stays in jail for like 10 years or something like that. Because this guy at this point, he knows so many secrets. And I would say that he should be very careful even right now, because he's still saying a lot of things. He's still exposing a lot of things. But at the end of the day, what can we say? We cannot stop him. Is his passion? If this is the hill he wants to die on, there's nothing we can do. But yeah, Witness F said that. And also, Witness F, the most interesting thing he said is that he actually borrowed a jet ski from a farm in Limpopo. Does it belong to Ket Matlala? It doesn't really belong to Ket Matlala. They just said it's a random farm in Limpopo. There's a jet ski. So yeah, man, these guys were really living large, man. If you can afford a jet ski, yeah, man, you're living good. So that's the interesting that's happening so far with Witness F. At least something is happening.